Welcome back to Thriveology Today. Imagine waking up to discover your online business generated more revenue overnight than you used to make in a month. That's exactly what happened to Alex, who transformed his struggling YouTube channel into a thriving digital empire by mastering the art and science of online business. In the next 10 minutes, you'll discover the exact blueprint successful digital entrepreneurs use to build, grow, and monetize their online presence. Whether you're just starting out or looking to scale your existing business, these strategies will help you navigate the ever-changing digital landscape with confidence. Before we dive into these game-changing principles, join our Thriveology community by hitting subscribe. Because just like building an online business, small, consistent actions today create extraordinary results tomorrow. Let's transform your digital dreams into a profitable reality. Part 1. Channel optimization and content strategy. Think of your online business like a vibrant garden where each decision you make can cultivate growth and success. Choosing the right channels is similar to selecting the perfect soil that nourishes the plants. It lays the groundwork for everything that follows. Your content strategy, in this analogy, represents the seeds you chose to plant, which with care and attention can blossom into a thriving digital presence. Let's explore how to cultivate this flourishing ecosystem effectively. Start with channel selection. In 2025, it's not about being present on every platform, but about being exactly where your audience engages the most. Take the time to analyze your target demographics, online behavior, and preferences to identify the most effective platforms. For instance, if you're targeting young professionals, platforms like LinkedIn and Instagram might take precedence for driving your marketing efforts, as these channels often align well with their lifestyle and content consumption habits. Additionally, researching emerging platforms or trends can give you a competitive edge and allow you to reach your audience before they connect with your competitors. Once you've chosen your channels, optimize them relentlessly. This means aligning your channel strategy with your broader marketing initiatives to create a cohesive customer journey that guides your audience from initial awareness to final conversion. For example, if your goal is increasing website traffic, think about optimizing your social media content for greater shareability, refining email subject lines to effectively boost open rates, and implementing targeted paid search campaigns that speak directly to your customer segments. Continuously revisiting and adjusting these strategies based on current trends and performance metrics ensures you remain flexible and responsive to changes, maximizing your returns. Your content strategy is the heartbeat of your online presence. Create a comprehensive framework based on 3 key pillars: matching content with the consumer journey, choosing the right format for effective delivery, and measuring and refining your approach based on clear performance indicators. It's crucial to remember that engaging your audience at each stage of their journey with relevant and valuable content enhances user experience and encourages loyalty. Additionally, embracing a diverse range of content formats, such as videos, blogs, infographics, and podcasts, can cater to different preferences and consumption habits, keeping your audience engaged. Remember, storytelling is your secret weapon. In 2025, brands that successfully create emotional connections through narrative-driven approaches are witnessing exponential growth. Share your brand's journey, values, and vision in authentic ways that resonate with your audience, making your products or services more relatable and desirable. By emotionally engaging your audience, you can cultivate a deeper connection that not only drives sales, but also fosters long-term loyalty and advocacy. Lastly, leverage data-driven SEO strategies to significantly boost your visibility in a crowded marketplace. Focus on implementing comprehensive keyword research that targets long-tail keywords with specific search intent to ensure your content meets immediate user needs. Optimize your on-page elements, including title tags, internal links, and URLs to enhance your search engine rankings while also providing a seamless user experience. Staying informed about algorithm updates and changing best practices will allow you to adjust your strategies as needed, keeping your online presence robust and effective. By combining strategic channel selection, compelling content creation, and thorough data-driven optimization, you'll lay a solid foundation for your online business success that can adapt to the challenges and opportunities of the digital marketplace. Embrace each facet of this process as an investment in your brand's future, creating a platform for ongoing growth and connection with your audience. Part 2, audience growth and engagement. Think of your audience like a thriving community garden. It requires consistent nurturing, the right environment, and a variety of plants to flourish. Let's explore how to grow and engage your audience effectively. Start by deeply understanding your target audience. Create detailed buyer personas that go beyond basic demographics. What are their aspirations? What keeps them up at night? This clarity helps you create content that resonates on a personal level. Build what I call engagement ecosystems, environments where your audience naturally wants to interact. This could be Facebook groups, Discord communities, or interactive live streams. Like a well-designed park, these spaces should encourage natural conversation and connection. Leverage the power of social media algorithms to expand your reach. Each platform has its quirks, but consistency is key across all of them. On Instagram, use Reels to tap into trending audio and boost discoverability. On LinkedIn, focus on creating thought leadership content that sparks meaningful discussions. Don't underestimate the power of email marketing. Your email list is a direct line to your most engaged audience members. Use personalization and segmentation to deliver tailored content that speaks directly to individual interests and needs. Remember, audience growth isn't about chasing numbers, it's about building genuine connections. Respond to comments, ask questions, and create content that encourages interaction. Think of each engagement as planting a seed that, with proper care, can grow into a loyal community member. Part 3, monetization methods and algorithm mastery. Think of monetization as harvesting the fruits of your digital garden. Let's explore how to turn your audience into a sustainable revenue stream while mastering the algorithms that govern visibility. In 2025, successful online businesses are diversifying their revenue streams. The subscription model has gained significant traction. Platforms like Mighty Networks allow creators to offer tiered memberships, combining community access, exclusive content, and digital products. For instance, you could offer a basic tier for community access, a mid-tier for additional resources, and a premium tier for one-on-one coaching. Affiliate marketing remains a powerful monetization method, especially when aligned with your niche. Instead of promoting random products, focus on curating offers that genuinely benefit your audience. This approach not only increases conversions, but also builds trust with your community. For content creators, patronage platforms like Patreon and Buy Me a Coffee provide ways for dedicated fans to support your work directly. This model works particularly well for creators who produce consistent, high-quality content that resonates deeply with their audience. Mastering platform algorithms is crucial for visibility and growth. Each platform has its quirks, but some universal principles apply. Consistency is key. Regular posting signals to algorithms that you're an active, engaged creator. Encourage meaningful interactions. Algorithms favor content that sparks conversations and keeps users on the platform longer. Leverage trending topics and formats, but always align them with your brand voice. Use platform-specific features. For example, Instagram's algorithm currently favors Reels, while LinkedIn prioritizes thought leadership content that generates discussions. Remember, while understanding algorithms is important, creating valuable content for your audience should always be your primary focus. The most successful online businesses in 2025 are those that balance algorithmic optimization with genuine value creation. Your journey to building a successful online business starts today. Think about this. Every thriving digital empire began with a single step, someone just like you deciding to take action. The strategies we've covered aren't just theory, they're proven frameworks used by successful online entrepreneurs worldwide. Remember, building an online business isn't about getting everything perfect from day one. It's about starting with what you have and improving consistently. Each piece we've discussed today, from channel optimization to algorithm mastery, builds upon the others to create a sustainable digital ecosystem. If you're ready to build your online empire, join our Thriveology community by hitting that subscribe button. Because just like growing an online business, every step forward counts, and every subscriber helps us create better content to fuel your success journey. Share in the comments your biggest challenge in building your online business, What's holding you back from digital success? Your question might help another member of our community break through their barriers. Remember, success online isn't about overnight riches. It's about creating genuine value and building lasting relationships. Keep thriving and never stop growing.